why your manifestations are not showing up. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. Have you ever wanted something and you affirmed for it? You created a vision board maybe, you scripted about it and it didn't happen? This is going to affect your default. This is going to affect your belief system, and a lot of us have experiences in our past that are similar to this, which is why we doubt that manifesting is a thing, that it could happen for us, and that it's possible to happen today. We are going to shift all of that by the end of this video. Hi, my name is Jenna, and I'm a high performance coach. I work predominantly with athletes, and we're back in season, but I'm still going to show up here Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Make sure that you get some tools and strategies to change your default, because I'm telling you, this has shifted my entire life in less than 6 months. My life completely shifted in 90 days, and then it just keeps getting better and better and better. When it comes to not getting what it is that you want, you have to work with your default. First, I need you to understand you haven't got what you want yet. Yet is the key word. Your life is not done yet. It's not over. So how can you claim that you haven't gotten it when your life is still moving, is still going on? So first, let go of that limiting belief, because you get everything that you want. It just doesn't always come on your direct timeline. Why? Why wouldn't it come on your direct timeline? Because you're not the creator of the time. The higher consciousness is. You are the creator of the movie. Universe takes care of the how, when, where, why, what. That's it. Understanding that you need to let go of more control, detach from the outcome more so that you can get what it is that you want. The minute that you accept where you are, you create space for it to change. But what happens is we don't accept where we are frantic about it. We are scared. We are panicked. What if it doesn't change? What if I can't get what I want? And you know what happens then? We cling to it. We fixate on it. Our focus doesn't look away from it. And what creates? Our focus creates. But if we're focusing on what has happened or has not happened, we are generating that and bringing that into our future, so it still cannot happen. This is why slapping on positive affirmations, trying to be happy, does not work, especially if you have an overthinking mind. We have to go to the system. We have to go to the foundation, which I like to call your default program. It's the same thing basically as your subconscious mind. It's just your default that keeps flinging back, keeps you staying stuck. You will push a little bit forward with your consciousness, but then your consciousness gets distracted and your default will come and play and take over. And this is the self-limiting beliefs that sabotage your success or your instant manifestation from showing up. What do we do in this moment? It's really important for us to start working with the program, working with our expectations. So if you have already affirmed before, you've already been on this journey for a while and you have not gotten any results, you haven't seen the full fruition of what you're wanting, it's still because you're stuck in this default program of hope. I really hope it works out. I think I believe in this. This resonates a little bit, but you haven't fully immersed and embodied that this is yours. You can't get what you don't believe is yours. You can believe it. You can believe it could happen for someone, but if you're not believing that it can happen for you specifically, it will always elude you. And this is why you stay stuck. 5 steps I want you to practice. The very first one is I want you to shift from focusing on the outcome and focus instead on the alignment. Focus less on the results and more on the energy. So what does this look like? A lot of times when we're wanting something and we have a time limit, like I want to get pregnant. I want to take this pregnancy test and I want it to be positive. That's what I'm manifesting in. You are controlling way too much. You are trying to make something happen. The universe does not respect you when you're saying a timeline, because the universe says you're not trusting me. You are desperate. You are still needy. And I don't like that. I'm not going to reward that. But you know what the universe does reward? When you say something like, my body and I are in perfect alignment, and everything that's unfolding right now is for the greatest good. I am so fertile. I have everything that I need. The universe loves to spoil me. Very different than I am pregnant now. I will get pregnant with this test. This test is going to show me I'm pregnant. That's it. let go. That's so demanding and you're not believing in it fully. You're not relaxed. You're desperate. You're needy. You're panicked. The other way of my body and I are in perfect alignment. I get whatever it is that I want. The universe loves to spoil me. Lets the universe come and work its magic. And it relaxes you. And the whole key to this is we want to make sure that you are believing in what it is that you want. And you're also relaxed in it because you know it's on its way. The second piece is learning how to work with your doubt. Doubt is natural. Human experience, human emotion is natural. Whatever is coming, if you're angry, if you're frustrated, if you're doubtful, all of these are normal. It's okay. You can still manifest. You'll manifest no matter what. You get what it is that you want. You're a human. You're going to go through a human experience. What we need to do is learn how to handle these experiences when they come. So, what does this look like? When you have doubt arise, instead of buying into it and be like, yep, you're right, I'm never going to get what it is that I want. It's never going to come for me. I know this to be true. Instead, you step back and go, I'm feeling doubtful right now. Done. You're not resisting it. You're not expressing it. You're not clinging to it. You're literally just naming, I feel doubt right now. And you know what happens when you name it? It continues to go through the universe. It's when you go, I can't feel doubt right now. I'm trying to be positive. I can't not have this. You're okay. It's okay. You're okay. It's all okay. You can have any emotion that you want and still manifest. It's okay. Just let it be okay. Which leads to the third thing I want you to practice, which is being okay with what happens. Accept where you are right now, understanding that where you are is a launch pad. It's important. It's helpful. Having contrast, knowing what it is that you want, getting that clarity is helpful. Stop making it wrong. Stop making it the only thing that you're fixating on. Stop letting it generate fear in you. Your emotions, your reality, it's not a lion coming at you. Unless there's actually a lion coming at you, which I think is quite rare in this day and age. When you understand you're not under attack, you're just having an emotion. You're just having an experience. You haven't got what you wanted. That's okay. You're on the move. It's unfolding now. Let yourself accept where you are, which creates space for it to change. But if you resist it, you're gonna get more of it. Which leads to number 4. Affirm your default identity, not the outcome. So if you're wanting that pregnancy or you're wanting your significant other, you're wanting that money, you might be saying to yourself, I want to get pregnant. And then you learned in the first one, we change that to my body and I are fully aligned. Universe loves to spoil me. I get what it is that I want. When you focus on your default identity, you now talk about what you love and you stop focusing on what you fear. So I love that the universe has my back. I love that through this process, I learned how to let go of control. I learned so much about my default program and I love it. I love the person that I am now. I love being the type of person that always just gets what they want. I love being the type of person that gets so much money all of the time. I love being the type of person that never runs out of clients. I love being this person. I love, take this with you, I love being the type of person. Who do you love being? You might not be that person. You likely aren't that person right now. That's okay. You're claiming who you're growing into. I love being the type of person that love just finds naturally. And I love being the type of person that is in the most loving, soulmate, juicy relationship. I love this. Take that with you. Not, I'm fearing I won't get it. I fear this won't work out for me. I fear this is going to happen. I'm doubtful. I'm frustrated. I love. We're going to reframe it to I love that I'm becoming the person that can trust in this. I love becoming the most powerful version of myself. And that leaves the 5th and final step, which is visualizing your future and stepping into that power every day. That's all you got to do and your manifestations are going to show up. Stop resisting. Let it flow in.